In this video, I'm sharing the top 17 apps that can help you make real money using just your phone. I've noticed that many of you guys don't have a computer to start making money using the other methods that I post here on this channel, so I decided to make this top 17 apps that make you money video so you can make money just using your phone. These apps are all free, so it's basically free money. I'll go through each app and explain how you can get paid with each one. And the last app will be the best and probably pay you the most. The first one is ProductTube. Here's how it works. First, you apply for a mission on the app. If you get approved, you'll be given the details of the mission, which might include a specific store location or just a general store type like Target or Walmart. Once you're at the store, all you have to do is follow the instructions on the app and answer some questions while video recording yourself. Some people like to use headphones to make it look like they're talking to someone on the phone, but it's totally up to you. Just be sure to follow the instructions and answer the questions on the screen while you're recording. These missions via ProductTube are super short, usually lasting only 3 to 10 minutes. And the best part, they pay really well. App number 2 is Field Agent. Field Agent is an app that lets you earn money by pretending to be a customer in retail stores. Brands will pay you to go to supermarkets or other stores and check out how their products are being displayed on the shelves. All you have to do is take pictures and report back to the company about what you saw. This might seem like a small task, but companies actually pay a lot of money, like tens of thousands of dollars, to make sure their products are in the best places on the shelves where they'll be more likely to be bought. If their products aren't being displayed in the right way, they could be losing a lot of money. That's where Field Agent comes in. They'll pay you to go to the store and check out the shelves for them. Each mission on Field Agent takes about 5 to 10 minutes and pays anywhere from $4 to $15. If you go to a busy area like a mall, you'll probably just have a lot of missions to choose from at the same time. The third app I want to recommend is Mobi. This app is similar to Field Agent and ProductTube, but they use a point system to pay their users. These points can be converted into dollars or gift cards, and 500 points is equal to $5. Mobi has a lot of small missions available at different stores, which is a plus. Overall, it's a great app to check out if you're interested in earning some extra money through mystery shopping. Just remember that the points you earn on Mobi will need to be converted into dollars or gift cards before you can use them. Now, the fourth way that you can make money on your phone today is grocery shopping for people. With Instacart, you can sign up to be a grocery shopper and deliver groceries to people who don't want to go shopping themselves. Each grocery ship pays between $10 and $15, and the more efficiently you shop, the more money you can make per hour. Instacart is a growing company, so there are plenty of customers looking for help with their grocery shopping. If you don't mind doing some shopping for other people, give Instacart a try. So the next app we'll take a look at is usertesting.com. This is where you can get paid to test out real websites and apps from big companies. All you have to do is go to the website, click Get Paid to Test, and scroll down to see how it works. Once you're inside, you can browse through all the different tasks and apps and choose the ones you want to try out. For each test you complete, you can earn money. $4 for every 5-minute test, $10 for every 20-minute test, and even up to $120 for live interviews. To get started, just apply and then wait for a test to come your way. Now, the sixth app to make money on your phone is Lyft. If you're a good driver with a clean record and good insurance, you can sign up to become a Lyft driver and start earning money right away. I personally know some drivers that make over $200 a day with Lyft, so it's definitely a lucrative opportunity. While I haven't personally driven for either Lyft or Uber, I've heard that Lyft pays their drivers better. Just be sure to pass the background check and make sure you have a car that gets good mileage before you get started. As you drive more and more with Lyft, you'll learn tips and tricks for where to go and when to work, which can help you make even more money. So if you're looking for a flexible side hustle and you're comfortable driving people around and talking to strangers, give Lyft a try. Next, we have Honeygain, and all you have to do is create an account and sign up, and you'll start earning money at the end of every month. It's that simple. So you're probably wondering, how does Honeygain make this possible? Well, the app runs in the background of your phone and gathers information about how you interact with ads from other companies. This information is then used to help other companies make better, more targeted ads for you. According to their website, the average person earns around $55 per month with Honeygain, although this amount can vary based on how much you use the app and how many phones you use it on. Some users have even made up to $184 per month. It's not life-changing money, but it can definitely help you pay off some debts or bills. So if you're looking for a passive way to earn some extra cash, give Honeygain a try. So app number 8 is called Clip Claps. With this app, you can earn money by watching videos all the way through, and once you reach a certain threshold, you can exchange your earnings for real cash. While the app doesn't pay huge amounts of money, you can expect to earn around $1 to $5 per hour of use, according to their website. And with good reviews from many users, it seems like a legitimate way to earn some extra cash just by watching videos on social media. App number 9 is called UserFuel, and UserFuel actually pays quite a bit of money. With this app, companies will pay you to try out their websites and apps, look for flaws, and complete small surveys. It's a great way to earn some extra cash if you're making less than $30 per hour in your current job. To get started, all you have to do is visit the UserFuel website or app and click Get Paid to Test button. Each test pays between $3 and $30 and takes between 5 and 60 minutes to complete. You can do the tests on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, and you'll just need to follow the instructions and watch the example video to understand what the company is looking for. One cool thing about UserFuel is that they also pay in Amazon gift cards, so if you're under 18 and don't have a bank account or a PayPal account, you can still get paid. You can do up to 5 to 6 tests per day and earn Amazon gift cards, so it's a convenient way to make some extra cash even if you're not yet 18. Money App is a popular app that pays you to complete various tasks like testing out games that haven't been released yet or looking for bugs in apps. According to the App Store, it has a very high rating, so it seems like a legitimate way to make some extra cash. Each time you complete a task, you can expect to earn around $5, and you can make up to $10 per day on average. To get paid, you'll need to reach a certain threshold and exchange your earnings for real money using PayPal. The only downside is that you can only cash out using PayPal, so if you don't have an account or are under 18, you'll need to find someone to help you out. If you love taking photos, then you might want to check out FOApp, an app that pays you for your photos and videos. Instead of just posting your photos on Instagram and not making any money, you can sell them on FOApp and potentially earn up to $20 per photo. This app is great for photographers who know how to take high-quality photos, as you can also accept missions from companies looking for specific types of photos. The companies will pay FOApp for the photos, and if you can take the kind of photos they're looking for, you'll get paid a good amount. So if you're already taking lots of photos, why not make some money by selling them on FOApp? It's a great way to monetize your hobby and potentially earn some extra cash. Next, we have Google Opinion Rewards. This is an app from Google that pays you to take surveys. The best part is that the surveys are really short, so you can complete them in just a few seconds. Plus, the app has a lot of positive reviews, so you know it's legitimate. According to Google, you can earn about $1 for each survey you take, and the surveys only take about 20 seconds to complete. That means you could earn around $120 per hour if you're able to complete 2 surveys per minute. The next app is TaskRabbit. It allows you to find people to help you with various tasks like cleaning, moving, furniture assembly, home repairs, yard work, shopping, delivery, and lifting. If you know how to do any of these tasks, you can also list yourself as available to help others on the app. TaskRabbit is a great way to make money, with the average hourly rate being over $80. Many people even use TaskRabbit as their full-time career and make over 6 figures per year. Next, we have clickworker.com. And this app is actually kind of fun because it's interactive. What you're going to do is head over to their website, then at the very top, you're going to click right here where it says Click Worker Job Area. What you're going to do is start getting paid to complete tasks for other companies and websites. So you can get paid to categorize items, copy and edit, do research, proofreading, or even do mystery shopping, where you will go to a website or store to do some mystery shopping, then report back to the company and actually get paid for it. So it's a lot more interactive and it's a little bit more fun, and it's available worldwide. So the next step we'll take a look at is going to pay you up to $40 per task you complete. So before we continue, I want to give you a disclaimer. I don't actually use these apps myself anymore. It's what I was doing when I first got started. I was working a 50-hour-a-week job, and I wanted to find a way to make some extra money so I could quit my job. Now, if you want to see how I was able to quit my job and start making over $300 per day online after just a few months of starting as a beginner, scroll down to the description and click on the very first link. It's going to be my #1 recommended income stream, and I'm going to send you a free video training showing you exactly how to get started and how you can start making over $100, even up to $900 per day from home. So back to the app, it's called Inbox Dollars, and you can make some extra cash by doing stuff like taking surveys, watching videos, shopping, and even just scanning receipts. To make the most money on Inbox Dollars, try completing the free offers. Just click on Offers and then Free Offers at the bottom. You'll see different apps and services that you can try out and get paid for. Okay, so I saved the best app for last. Airtasker. This app is great because you can get paid a lot for completing tasks in your local area, but it does require a bit more work than the other apps. How it works is simple. People post tasks on the app, and then you can apply to complete them. These tasks can be anything from cleaning and assembling furniture to handiwork and gardening. All you have to do is sign up for the app and then click Browse Tasks at the top. Here you'll see a list of all the tasks available and how much you'll be paid for each one. You'll see all the details of the task at the bottom, including the location, when it needs to be done, and what you'll be doing. So go ahead and start looking through the tasks. You'll find lots of easy ones like editing photos, or more challenging ones like translating or assembling a computer. Just click on the task, make an offer, and get paid. So that completes our list for the 17 best apps. Now, I know you're probably using your phone to watch this video, and you probably would prefer to use your phone to earn money online. So in order to learn about what I believe are the 15 best side hustles you can do from your phone that can earn you $500 or more per day, watch this video right here.